What do you do? Do you work or study?
No, I am a student, so yeah, I do study.
Where do you study?
I study in optometry in Institute of Community Ophthalmology, which is under Chittagong Medical University.
What is your favorite subject? Sorry, what is your favorite place in Bangladesh?
I think Chittagong is my favorite place in Bangladesh because I have not visited most of the place yet. So that's why I can't say other places. But yes, I love Chittagong.
Okay, if you get opportunity to visit three places around the world, maybe three countries or three places, then what three places you will visit?
Of course, my first choice would be the Saudi Arabia,
Mhm.
and my first choice would be Saudi Arabia. Yes, Allah has already granted me that opportunity, but yes, still
Mashallah.
I want to go there again and again. And my second place will be Canada because my brother lives there,
Mhm.
and yes, I have a plan to go there for my higher study after my graduation. And the third place, maybe differ.
Okay, maybe different. Okay, fine. So, do you think you are an extrovert person or introvert?
I think I am a very, very, very much introvert person,
Why do
and
you think?
actually, from my very childhood, I was always connected to my study. To connect with people, it's get very less opportunity for me, and that's why I don't get much opportunity to connect the people. But yes, I am very friendly with my family members, but not the outsider, like except my family. But I think it's a great disadvantage for me because in this social life or in this current situation, I think to be a extrovert person is more necessary to survive the environment or to survive the situation. So yes, I'm trying to be an extrovert person, but still
Okay,
I'm
okay, I got it. Okay, I
introvert.
got it. What do you do when you feel too much angry? What do you do when you feel too much angry?
Actually, when I get much angry, that time I um try to be restrain myself from doing anything or remain quiet, because I think that time if I say something that would not be good to others, and also that would hurt others, and that is not good. That is not permissible in our Islam also. So that time I try to remain quiet. As long as I can. And yes, most of the time I can do it. I think I am perfect in that.
Okay, so last question for you. A lot of people, a lot of students, a lot of children, I mean, for from all the ages of people, they are wasting their valuable time on Facebook, on social media. So, how do you manage, or can you manage your time using social media, or
Actually,
control yourself?
and in reality, I can't say you that I'm truly able to control myself from social media. But yes, I can say that I am trying my best to control myself from wasting my time. Most of the time, I just focus on that which platform or which social media apps or platform that help me much, and I try to use them. Most of the cases, if I see that this platform or this website is time consuming for me, and also it just distract me for my real time work, I try to avoid them, like Facebook and other things. And I think I use less social media, like only limited version, like WhatsApp and YouTube. I think those tools are most of I use most of them, and not the others actually.
Okay, okay. And one question from my side, that is, do you enjoy my classes? Do you enjoy our course, ways of teaching?
Actually, uh, to be honest, that I like your lecture very much, And the one of the main reason that I enrolled this course, because I think it's different from the other course. Most of the courses, they just teach us about you said that the sentence structure, subject verb, grammar, grammatical rules. In my as you know that I was very much attentive to my study, and since my school life, my English was my one of the favorite subject, and I was too good to in grammar, and my marks were remarkable, but I can't say English, and that is really very much disappointing thing to me. And I saw that your how you manage or oriented the course in a different way. I think it is one of the best way to learn or to master the language, and that's why I think it's best. And also after joining this course, I find your lecture more interesting, and yeah, I love to do it very
Okay,
much.
thank you so much. It means a lot to us. Thank you.